Next, let's solve a system with no solutions and see what happens with that. So let's use our matrices. So I'll write the augmented matrix first. Okay, so first we want to get rid of the x's. So I'm going to subtract row 2 and then add it to row 1. So this is going to be -1, 0, -1, -6. So that was the second equation. So now I'm adding it. 1, -1, 2, and 4. So this becomes 0, -1, 1, and -2. Here. Then we want to get rid of this 2, so let's multiply -2 to this top equation, and we're going to add it to equation 3, -2, 2, -4, and -8. And we'll go ahead and write the other one, just to kind of help me out. And then right here, I'm going to go ahead and I want this to be positive, so I'm going to multiply this by -1, just again to get a positive leading 1, so 0, +1, -1, and a +2. And then this third row, I'm going to add this together, this work I did earlier. So this is 0, -1, +1, and a -4. And then that last row stays the same. And so I'm noticing something here with these two. If I add them together as they are, so let's go ahead and do that here. So if I add these together, notice I get 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, -1 plus 1 is 0, and 2 minus 4 is a -2. Now just to pause here for a second, we get all zeros here and the -2. If we were thinking about writing that as a system, notice, or we write it back as our system here, this would be 0 equals -2. So therefore this is inconsistent. This is no solution. So if you're ever trying to solve these and you get something strange like this, then you know that it's no solution. So try it with this example here. So looking at this example here, so I wrote it in my augmented matrix. I subtracted row 2 minus row 1, and then I got 0, 1, 1, 1. And then I did row 3 minus row 1, and then I did my work here for row 1, -1, they're all negatives. And then so I got 0, -2, -2, 0. And then what I did is I took 2 times row 2 and then added it to row 3. And so when I did that, to here 0, 2, 2, 2, and notice this is 0, 0, and 2. So there is my last row. And so notice it is no solution.